Hello.
Hello, am I visible?
I'm sorry. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you see me?
Yes, absolutely. My name is Joe, and can you tell me your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Subham.
Shubham. Nice to meet you.
Same
And
here.
so I'm speaking to you from Helsinki, Finland. Where are you calling me from?
I'm calling from India.
What city in India?
Yeah, it's a state, Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. If I hope I'm not mis.
Pradesh, yeah.
Okay. And what is the name of the city or town?
Yeah, it's a regional place that is Ambedkar Nagar. I think you don't know.
May, please, I enlighten me. I don't know. So you said city is a misnomer.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's Ambedkar Nagar. You don't know about this place. Yeah.
okay. So it's just a small city that I wouldn't know about. Is all you're saying?
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I'm saying there is no meaning of just going deeper of that means because you will not understand. So this will not be beneficial to tell you. That's why I'm just not telling you anymore.
Okay. So how many people? And I'm just wondering how it must be a small town then. How many
Yeah,
people?
it is a small town. So I don't have any idea about the population who is residing here, but yeah, you can say it is not too much or not a large city here.
Yeah. Well, for example, I used to live in a town of 500 people. So,
So no, no, certainly here it is a bigger than that. What you mentioned towards you, it is bigger than that, but not too much. Yeah,
okay. And so tell me, what do you do there? Are you a student? Are you working now?
I am a student.
And what are you studying?
I am currently pursuing my bachelor's of engineering from a state engineering college, and my stream is electrical engineering.
Ah, okay. I'm speaking to a lot of students from India today. I was just speaking with a young woman who is studying ants. She's studying to be an
Okay.
entomologist. So you are studying to be an electrical engineer,
Yeah.
and you're still in your undergraduate studies now, or how
Yeah.
how much schooling? How many years of schooling will you need altogether to become an engineer officially?
Yeah. It's a 4 year curriculum here, and currently I am in my last year.
Okay. So in America, we would say you're a senior at college.
Yeah.
Okay, and so what is your schooling like from here? Do you need to go to graduate school, or get a master's degree, or even a doctoral degree?
It is for bachelor's degree here. Yeah. No, it is for bachelor degree from where I am pursuing. And
Yeah.
for master, you should just give certain exams. Then you can choose your master's college as well. And for doctor degree, then you should study PhD. So that is necessary for to being a doctor. So not here where I am studying this is a bachelor's of engineering college. So for masters, I can certainly think for other options as well. So I have not decided yet, but in upcoming time, I will certainly decide about this.
Okay, but will you be ready to start working in the field uh, after you graduate? Um,
So
you're
field of what? In what field you are asking?
engineering, electrical engineering.
Yeah, it's certainly, every individual has their different choices, and he loves the work what he can pursue. So I think, apart from my studies, I also teaches some children. So teaching belt is a good option for me, and I can explore the belt of teaching in the upcoming time. So I'm not sure I will be a electrical engineer in the future, but at the same time, I can be a tutor, and I can follow another passion as well, which dedicates me, and which profession I love most. So it will be based on that. Not from that means I am currently pursuing my bachelor's in electrical engineering. That certainly leads me to the electrical engineer. It is not that. So I can choose any of the loving option which will lead me to the pleasure. So it is totally on that.
Okay, and you mentioned possibly teaching or even teaching children.
Yeah.
Okay, that's that's something that I'm becoming interested in because um, I'm currently doing an internship, an unpaid internship, working with children at an elementary school,
Okay.
and
So
so
what subject do you teach there? Or internship about what? What is the title of that internship?
really right now, I guess you could call me a teacher's aide or a teacher's assistant. And I'm not teaching any
Okay.
particular subject. I am there really as a part of my language study program because,
Okay. Language study program.
yeah, my real full time occupation, not job, but how I spend my time is I'm studying Finnish, the Finnish language. So as a
Okay.
part of it's an integration program for people who have
Okay.
immigrated here. And so, for example, I
Okay.
have people in my class from India, Nepal, Greece, Russia, Ukraine, everywhere. Um, so,
All
as a,
over the world. Yeah. I can
all over the
understand.
world. And as a part of this program, we are required to. It's not only language training; it's job training. So as a part of that,
Okay.
we have to be out in the workforce, just getting an experience, a taste of it. So long story short, they have placed me in this school. Um, I kind of hoped I would be teaching English, but
Okay,
you
that
know,
means you are just focusing on languages, and in this integrated program, what you mentioned, that means you are working as a finish line assistant. That means you are leading to the job profession as well. So this is commendable job. I think you should proud of that work which you are currently doing. So I really appreciate it for what you mentioned. So this is lovely, great work. So keep on from what I'm saying from my side. Keep it up.
thank you. Thank you. I appreciate the encouragement. It's not exactly what I planned on, but it could lead to something good, and I'm enjoying it. Um, and
Yeah,
the
that is
reason
most important. That means you love your task.
I do, I do, and I would like to see it turn into a job somehow. Um, I the difficulty I'm facing is that I'm having to learn a new language as well. Before I can,
Yeah.
advance in any sort of teaching career, I have to speak Finnish as well as English. Even if I want to be an English teacher, I still have to speak
Yeah.
Finnish. So,
Whenever you talk about your career and opportunities, so be a good learner is always a good choice in life, because whenever in life you are just continuing growing and learning new things, so this will be add up your values to the life. So this is quite a good habit. That means you are tutoring at the same time you are learning as well. So that is the important habit every individual should consist in themselves. So I really like your this habit. That means you are tutoring at the same time you learning as well. So it's a nice thought thinking process and pattern you are following in life. So that is good. That sounds good.
Yes, I agree with you 100%, and I think you would make a fine teacher as well. And so you
You?
said you are not necessarily planning on becoming an engineer, um, but if you were to, for example, teach children, um, what would you teach them? General education? What age of children? Things like that.
So if I get, yeah, if I get opportunity of teaching, then I certainly loves to teach math subject. That is my favorite. And the age group which you are talking through, the age group is 12th and above, 12th standard and above. That means engineering and engineering entrance students which are preparing for to become an engineer. So that is the priority list what I am seeking for. So you can say it is a age group of above 18 and that are seeking in the belt of engineering. That means they are preparing for the entrance exams of engineering. So to them I want to teach them mathematics because I love mathematics. And whenever I just get the platform, whenever I stood in front of students, then certainly I am just more proud to myself, and I really love what I share with them. And it's commendable, and sometimes it gives you immense pleasure to just address a student in front of you.
Yes, absolutely. I'm learning that myself. I'm happy when I'm able to help in any way I can.
Yeah.
When as I said, I didn't know exactly what I was getting into with this, and they have put me with special needs children, who have
Yeah.
developmental problems. And at first, I was a little concerned. I didn't know how I could help. Um, but there are many
But
ways.
certainly when you start, then you find your way.
Yeah. And I believe I'm doing that. Um, so this is it's an exciting time, and I'm sure it is for you as well. So
Yeah,
when
it was nice conversation. Yeah.
absolutely, we still have 2 minutes left, though. So I
Okay,
just
so
want,
continue.
yes. So I have a lot of questions. I normally ask people from India, and I don't want to change the subject too much because I really enjoy that. But Indian food has always been one of my favorite things. Are you at all interested in food? Do you have a
Yeah, I
favorite?
love Indian food as well. Yeah, I love non-veg. That's why if you ask me my favorite food, then I will certainly name the non-veg foods because I love and I know how to cook it. And for myself, whenever I get free time in weekends, then I certainly bought from the market and cook for myself. So that gives me immense pleasure, and I love the taste what I prepare for myself. So that is it.
What is your favorite dish to prepare for yourself?
uh, Chicken or mutton, anything, or fish, anything else you can name. I just prepare for myself and just I eat them with a lot of enjoy.
So a lot of Americans, when they think of Indian food, they think of hot and spicy. The food
Yeah.
of your region, I understand it's different all over India. Um, do you like hot and spicy food, and is that common in your region?
No, I don't like too much hot and spicy because it is not good for health. But sometimes it's a casual. Sometimes after a lot of days, users just get some hot and spicy food, but not on a regular basis because it affects the health, and I'm very conscious towards my health. Yeah.
Of course. Okay, well, Shubham, we're just about out of time, but it's been a pleasure meeting you, and continued success with your